Ready to unlock the true potential of Zapier by connecting it to literally any application you can imagine. Forget being limited to Zapier's pre-built integrations. This video will show you how to use Apis to connect Zapier to custom or unsupported apps, creating automated workflows tailored to your exact needs. First, you'll need to understand the API you're working with. Find the API documentation for the app you want to connect. This documentation will tell you exactly how to format your requests. Now, in Zapier, start by creating a new Zap and choosing Webhooks by Zapier as your trigger. Webhooks act as the bridge between Zapier and your custom app's API. Select Catch Hook as your trigger event. Zapier will generate a unique Webhook URL. Copy this URL. This is where your application will send data that triggers your Zap. Paste this URL into your external application's webhook settings or API request, according to their documentation. Next, set up your action step. This is what Zapier will do with the data it receives from your API. You can choose from Zapier's built-in apps or use Webhooks by Zapier again to send data to another API. If you're sending data to another API, use the Send Webhook action here. You'll configure the HTTP request, the URL of the API endpoint, the HTTP method, such as POST or GET, and most importantly, the data you want to send. Map the data fields from your trigger step. Data received from your initial app to the correct fields in the API request. Test your Zap thoroughly. Use Zapier's testing tools to send sample data through your workflow and ensure everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected an API to Zapier, opening up a world of automation possibilities.